Hey everybody! Since I was in town anyway, I thought I'd stop by and say thank you.
I was completely surprised. Like, I didn't even know he was coming. I got a phone call from my supervisor like an hour before 12:15, and when he walked in, it was crazy.
I really love Chicago in June, but I might even come back in January. Well, it's remarkable to see how much progress we've made just a few months after we officially got the shovel in the ground and started work. And it's a testimony to the incredible collaboration that we've got, not only some outstanding contractors, but also one of the most diverse workforces that we've ever seen on a major project in Chicago.
I think it's a pretty big project to be involved in, by him being the first African-American president and him building something in our community and where we're from is pretty exciting.
Just having this project in Southside Chicago, it's something incredible, something that we definitely need in this part of the city. I'm also being inspired just working here.
It's important for me that he invests here. It is changing lives, opening opportunities for people, not just to gain employment or anything like that, but just to know what's possible. We just want to do a good job here.
For us to be able to pull together workers of every background to get that kind of experience, for them to be able to see that this is not something that is done for this community, but rather the community is part of building it, that's going to set an example and raise the bar for projects in the future.
My mom's an electrician and my sister's a plumber, and I was telling them I get goosebumps being on this job because it's exciting to see other women out in the field.
I get to tell my kids and show them. Once he get older, he know like, oh, when I was little, my daddy, he worked on that Obama Center.
I think when we're done, and I know, that's going to take a little while, but when we are done, I think this is something that we're all going to be able to be really proud of. When you start seeing an actual structure come up, it makes real what I think we've all imagined. A place where young people can come together and learn not just about the presidency and how government works, but also how they can be agents for change. Fantastic. Thank you. Appreciate it.